It's been a long last week. Anyway, what's the deal with Inner? It's a weird thing, right? We don't know what that is. So Inner is just the game that I made during the 3-day game jam last week, and it's done. I put it up on itch for $1. I chose $1 because it's also going to be up on Steam soon, just there as well, and you got to have comparable prices from platform to platform wherever you sell it. So you be able to grab it there. I'll probably add like achievements or something, just a little thing. So Inner was pretty cool. It was a fun little thing to make. You're basically playing as a person who is under hypnosis at a therapy session, and they're just kind of going through their memories, collecting things and connecting the pieces. Again, it was made in 3 days, so it's nothing hugely extravagant, which is why it's only $1. If you want to check it out, it's cheap. I'd appreciate it. It does still support me and game development and all that sort of stuff, so that'd be neat. Link is down in the description there. Another thing I'm going to be taking a moment to do is make a pass on the subject to redo some of the control stuff because I'm going to be in there anyway fixing a bug with the Twitch integration. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and do a couple things in there, kind of clean it up and just get it into a state that's better for supporting the game fully. I did a good amount of support when it launched. I obviously am really busy with other projects right now, but I would still like to do cool things with it. Maybe I can add a little something in the future. So there's going to be some improvements there. Look for an update on Steam and on itch for the subject, just to kind of bring it into the fold of the way I do things now so it can be properly supported. Outstation, the next big thing that I'm doing. I'm doing some exploration on there for style right now. I started doing this key art piece, and I wanted to do it in a comic book style. There's going to be a video of the entire process of making that painting. That'll be out here at some point. But as I was making that, I thought, man, it'd be really cool if the style of the game was sort of comic booky and sort of matched this feel, and you haven't really seen that in a shoot 'em up really. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to take advantage of the fact that you're spending a lot of time in this upgrade bay, so it's not just a tiny ship all the time. You're seeing things up close. You're seeing things that sort of bring you into this world, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to do an exploration in a little bit of a tweak to the art style. Lots of things, lots of plans, all kinds of stuff happening. I'll see you later.